Welcome to how to get affiliate link tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to get an affiliate link in Temu. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open the Temu app. After that you need to sign in into your Temu account and add your address and phone number. After that you need to click on the categories. And then from here you need to search for affiliate. After that you will be redirected to the affiliate page. So from here you can see that you can share your code and earn from it. So from here you can click on share to earn. And you can choose the way that you want to share your code. You can click on code to copy the code, or you can copy a link, or you can share it through Messenger, Facebook, Messages, WhatsApp, or more and more. Also from here you can withdraw the money that you have got from the affiliate. You can click on withdraw and from here you can see the minimum withdrawal. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.